Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 43. My name is Professor Robert, and today we will practice more. We'll practice more in factoring a trinomial regrouping. Right, let's dive into it. Let's look at our first example, and that is 15a squared plus 17a minus 4. Now, this expression has to be broken down into two expressions, which when multiplied together will give us the original expression. Again, like we've seen in our past lessons, we'll look at the first term here and look for two terms, which when multiplied together will give us that term 15a squared. And clearly that looks like 5a multiplied by 3a. Okay. And then we move on to look at our third term here. And we look for factors, which when multiplied together will give us minus 4. So those factors could be 2 times negative 2, which will give us negative 4. Or it could be 1 times negative 4, which will give us negative 4. Or it might be negative 1 times 4. This will give us negative 4. But we don't know exactly what the answer would be. So we really have to try out all these examples, these sets, and see what we get. Now, let's say begin with the last one here. 5a minus 1 multiplied by 3a plus 4. So we'll then work this out distributively to find out if we can get back to what we had there. So again, 5a times 3a will give us, of course, 15a squared. And then 5a times 4 will give us positive 20a. And then minus 1 times 3 will give us minus 3a. And then minus 1 times 4 will give us minus 4. Now, when you look at these two inner terms, they are similar. 20a minus 3a will leave us with the 17a. So then we have our 15a squared here. Then we have our minus 4 here. So we have gotten back our expression here, which we got initially. That means that we have factorized our initial expression by grouping, and we have those two groups, or two factors when multiplied together will give us the original expression. All right. Okay, now let's try second example. Number 2, x squared plus 7x plus 10. Again, we use the same method. We are looking for two factors which when multiplied together will give us the original factor. Now this is simpler because x squared here has got a coefficient of 1. So We'll have x there and x there. It doesn't matter where, we place the x. And then we have to look for two numbers which when multiplied together will give us 10. But when we add them together, we should get 7. And clearly that should be 5 and 2. So that really doesn't matter where you place them. 2 can be here, 5 can be there. They all have to be positive. And okay, when we distributively multiply this out, or we distribute it out, we have x squared, and then we have our 5x, and then we have our 2x, and then here we have our 10. So again, the two inner terms add up to 7x. So we've got it right. And since we've gotten our original expression back, plus 7x plus 10, we can confidently say we have factored our original expression completely by grouping, by multiplying two groups of expressions. And so this is our answer, as you can see it here. All right. Okay, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it. And please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.